Good morning, dear students, and welcome to the class. It really gives me immense pleasure to be with you in today's class. And now I'll be leading you through an important grammar chapter, Adverb of Frequency. This lesson will help you improve your speaking and writing skills. This grammar chapter is quite important from the examination point of view too. Okay? And I hope you'll be attentive, cooperative, and active throughout the class. Now, let me begin with my positive mind. Okay? Adverb of frequency. So, does anybody have any ideas? What is an adverb of frequency? Can you tell me? This side? Okay, then no ideas. Okay, listen to me carefully. Adverb of frequency tell us how often an action happens, how many times an action takes place. Okay? An adverb of frequency tell us how often an action occurs, how many times an action takes place. Okay, this is what we call adverb of frequency. Okay, now what are adverbs of frequency? As I have mentioned here, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, and never are the adverbs of frequency that tells how often an adverb of frequency occurs. Okay, that tells us how often, how many times an adverb of frequency occurs or takes place or happens. Is that clear? Okay, now let's move. The big question is, in which situations are the adverbs of frequency used? Okay, in which situations are the adverbs of frequency used? This is a very important question. Okay, are you getting me or not? In which situation are the adverbs of frequency used? This is a big question. Okay, the answer is we use these adverbs of frequency in different situations. Okay, for example, always. Always is a adverb of frequency which is used when something happens all the time. When something happens 100%. Okay? Are you getting me or not? When something happens all the time. When something happens 100%, we use always. Similarly, when something happens most of the time, it means what? 90%. When something happens 90%, we use frequency of adverb usually. In the same way, when something happens many times, when something happens 70%, we use often. Are you getting me? Okay then. In the same way, when something happens occasionally, when something happens 50% only, in that situation, we use sometimes. Okay? Similarly, when something happens not often, when something happens only 20%, in that situation, we use rarely or seldom. Okay? And finally, something does not happen at all. Okay? Something happens 0%. At that situation, we use never. Okay? Now, a very important question is, where is adverb of frequency used? Where is adverb of frequency in a sentence used? This is a very useful and important question. Right now, we knew that in which situation are adverb of frequency used. But now the important question is, where is an adverb of frequency in a sentence used? This is a very important question. And for this, we have different positional rules. Okay, I'm going to show you different positional rules. Look at this positional rules, main rules. We use different adverbs of frequency in different situations or differently. For example, we have already 3 positional rules. Okay? Adverb of frequency usually come before the main verbs. Rule number first, adverb of frequency usually comes before the main rules. Rule number 1. For example, look at this example. This is main verb. This is main verb. And this is an adverb of frequency. We have, or I have used this adverb of frequency before the main verb. Look at this. This is the first rule of using the adverbs of frequency. Okay? Now the second rule is, we use adverb of frequency after 2 be verbs, after be verbs. Okay? They come after the verb to be. It means what? We use the adverb of frequency after to be verbs. Okay? Aim, is, are, was, were. Okay? These are the to be verbs. These are verb be. We use after to be verbs. For example, he is always polite. Look at this. This is be verbs. And this is adverb of frequency. We use adverb of frequency after to be verbs, after be verbs. This is the second rule. And the final third rule is, we use Frequency of adverbs after auxiliary verbs and before the main verbs. It means what? It means between auxiliary and main verbs. Okay? They come after auxiliary verbs and before the main verbs. It means what? Between auxiliary and main verb. This is the final and third rules. Look at this example. She has never lied. Okay? Never. Main verb. Main verb. Auxiliary verb. And adverb of frequency. Okay, look at this. Adverb of frequency never is used after auxiliary verb and before main verb. Okay, is that clear now? Is that clear? Okay then. Now let's continue forward. I have created some structures for you. Okay, on the basis of these structures, you can make lots of sentences by using the adverb of frequency easily. Okay, let me clarify you. Structure 1, subject plus adverb of frequencies like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, plus verb. This is the first structure. And the second structure is subject plus be verb plus always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, never, plus complement. Now the question is, what is complement? Complement is always used after main verbs to complete the sentence. Okay? To give the complete meaning of a sentence. Okay? Now the third structure is sometimes plus subject plus verb. Okay, one line summary: before main verb, after be verb, and after auxiliary verb. This is one line summary. Okay, now let me show you some examples. Let me make you more clear by these given examples. An adverb of frequency always is used when something happens 100%. When something happens all the time. Okay, for example, I always respect my teachers. It means what? I respect my teachers 100%. I 100% respect my teachers. Okay, and look at this example. An adverb of frequency always is used before main verb. Okay, before main verb. Similarly, he is always helpful. It means what? He is 100% helpful. And always is used after to be verb. After be verb. Okay? Similarly, usually. An adverb of frequency usually is used when something happens 90%. When something happens most of the time. For example, we usually play football in the evening. It means what? We play football 90% in the evening. We play football most of the time in the evening. Okay? Are you getting me or not? It means we play football most of the time, 90% in the evening. Similarly, he is usually calm. It means what? It means he is 90% calm. He is most of the time calm. Look at this. Usually is used before main verb. Okay? Usually is used after to be verb. Similarly, often. An adverb of frequency often is used when something happens 70%. When something happens many times. Okay? When something happens many times. When something happens 70%, we use often. For example, they often visit their village. It means what? They visit their village 70%. Okay? They visit their village 70%. They visit their village many times. Okay? It means they visit their village many times. Is that clear? Okay. Now look at this example. Often is used before main verb, and he is often late means what? He is late many times. He is late many times. Look at this. Often is used after to be verb. Similarly, sometimes an adverb of frequency is used when something happens 50%, when something happens occasionally. Okay, when something happens occasionally, we use sometimes. For example, I sometimes watch movie. It means what? I watch movie occasionally. Okay, I watch movie occasionally. Are you getting me or not? It is quite clear. And an adverb of frequency sometimes is used before main verb. He is sometimes careless. It means what? He is 50% careless. And sometimes is used after to be verb. In the same way, rarely, seldom is used when something happens 20%. When something happens 20% only, not more often. Okay, not more often. For example, I rarely eat junk food. It means what? I eat junk food only 20%. Right? I eat junk food not more often. Look at this, already used before main verb. She seldom makes mistakes. Means what? She makes mistakes only 20%. She makes mistakes not often. Okay, look at this. Seldom is used before main verb. Similarly, he is rarely angry means what? He is angry not often. He is angry only 20%. Okay, look at this example. Rarely is used after to be verb. Finally, never. Okay, never is used when something happens 0%. Never is used when something does not happen at all. When something does not happen at all, we use what? Never. When something does not happen at all, we use what? Never. I never tell lies means what? I never speak false. Okay? I never tell lies means what? I tell lie 0%. Okay? She never misses class means what? She misses class only 0%. Okay? He is never rude means what? He is never rude means what? He is 0% rude. Look at this. Never is used before main verb. Okay? Never is used before main verb. Never is used after to be verbs. Okay? And let me show you some exercises. It is very simple. Look at this. Rewrite the sentence using the adverbs given in brackets. This is very simple. Look at this. We have to use this adverb of frequency in proper position in this sentence. Okay? You have to use this adverb of frequency in proper position in this sentence. I go to school on time. Look at this. Go is main verb. We often use before the main verb. It means what? I always go to school on time. Similarly, never we use after what? To be verb. She is never late. There was TV at night. There was TV at night. This is main verb. We use sometimes here. They sometimes was TV at night. Similarly, he helps poor people. This is what? Main verb. He often helps poor people. We make noise in the class. This is main verb. So we use never. We never make noise in the class. Okay? Is that clear? Is that clear? Now the next exercise is correct the position of adverbs if wrong. Definitely he goes always to bed early. Definitely this is wrong sentence. Okay, and adverb of frequency always has used in wrong position. Okay, the adverb or frequency is placed in wrong position. Okay, he always goes to bed early. Okay, she is late usually. Okay, she is usually late. I eat never junk food. I never eat junk food. Why? Because we always use before main verb. Sometimes he is angry. This is correct. Or we can say he is sometimes angry. This is correct. Sometimes he is angry. Or we can say he is sometimes angry. They often are helpful. They are often helpful. Okay? Okay, this much for today. Thank you.